going to make willow bark salve for joint pain. For this recipe, you will need a mortar and pestle, 3 medium-sized canning jars, 2 small salve containers, a double boiler, a knife, a whisk, a mini spoon, and a stir stick. You will need half a cup of fresh willow bark, half a cup of fresh peppermint, 2 tablespoons of red pepper seeds, 1/4 cup of beeswax, and 1/4 cup of coconut oil, 3 cups of 80 proof vodka, using a knife, remove the bark from your willow and peel the bark into strips. Roll the bark up into a ball and put it in the canning jar. Pour the alcohol over the bark and fill the canning jar 1 inch from the brim and store in a dark place for 4 to 6 weeks. When the willow extract is almost ready, crush red peppers and add them to a small canning jar. Fill that jar with alcohol and let it sit for 3 days. When the red pepper extract is almost done, add the peppermint leaves to a small canning jar, fill that with alcohol, and let it sit in a dark room overnight. When the peppermint extract is ready, melt the beeswax using a double boiler. When the beeswax is melted, add the coconut oil and stir. Turn off the heat, add 2 tablespoons of willow extract, and stir with a whisk. Divide that liquid into 2 containers. Stir 1 teaspoon of red pepper extract into 1 container for the warming rub. Stir 1 teaspoon of peppermint extract into the other for the cooling rub. Set aside and let cool until stiff. When stiff, use your fingers, rub it into your joints, and live pain-free.